Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We have a new Sesame Street toy, and you know I love wooden toys, and it's called Foodie Truck Fun. It's not only a shape sorter, but we're going to learn some of the Sesame Street toys' favorite foods. And I have 8 shapes inside the truck, but I don't know how to get them out, tiny fans. There's 4 stuck together and they're wrapped in plastic and they don't fit out the back. They don't fit out the top. And maybe they'll fit out the large window. Oh my, they're getting stuck. They just won't fit. Well, this is a puzzle we are going to need to solve together. What should I do, tiny fans? I'm going to have to cut the plastic and take the blocks out one by one. It might take some time, but with every problem, there has to be a solution. We got all of the shapes out finally. We have a triangle, a circle, and a square. Cookie Monster's driving the foodie truck. Oh, and there is Cookie Monster's foodie truck sign with Grover. And I see Elmo and Abby the fairy. And we are ready to find out some of their favorite foods. We have Cookie Monster, and he's a round blue circle. Of course, his favorite food is cookies. Well, I don't consider cookies really a food. It's more of a treat or a dessert after we've eaten something healthy. Stick it through the circle. Next we have Ernie's green triangle. Ernie loves to snack on apples. I love a fresh, crunchy apple. Sometimes I like to slice them up so the skin doesn't get stuck in my teeth. And then we have Grover on a purple square. Grover likes watermelon. Me too, Grover. I usually don't get watermelon until the summertime, but I love a nice, juicy red watermelon. Next we have Count on another blue circle. Count likes candy. And how many candies are there? 1, 2, 3. Again, candy isn't a food, in my opinion, but it's a special treat once in a while. We have Oscar the Grouch on a green triangle. Oscar loves to snack on crunchy carrots. So do we. We have a big bag of carrots in our fridge all the time. And we have a carrot every single day. Next is Big Bird on another purple square. Big Bird loves to drink milk. I love to drink vanilla almond milk, and so does Tiny Treasures Mini. It's delicious. And I also tried oat milk for the first time, and it's delicious too. Hi, Elmo. Elmo's on a blue circle. Elmo loves ice cream. Another special treat, Elmo. Okay, and next we have Bert on a green triangle, and Bert loves to eat bananas. One of my kids has 1 banana a day. Or what about bananas on peanut butter toast? We have a purple square for Abby. Abby loves oranges. I love mandarin oranges this time of year too. And there we have it. It makes me hungry. I got a carrot out of the fridge, and look, it's a double carrot. Looks like 2 fingers sticking up. Remember, if you're picking a snack, try and reach for something healthy, especially fruits and vegetables. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.